Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Alright, here's a really cool magic trick you can do. It's actually an optical illusion watch. Check it out. All you do is pull out your hand like so. With the right hand, you're going to open it up right behind it, and it goes right through and it clamps and it just penetrates right one hand to the other. That cool? Here you go, do it one more time. Check it out. Put your hand out, reach from behind it and just clamp it, and just like that, it penetrates one through the other. Amazing, right? So you're gonna go like this and it looks like it penetrates. You can do it fast or slow. It's a really cool trick. It's easy to do, and I'll tell you how to do it right now. And now for the secret. Alright, here's how you do it. Check it out. All you do is stick your left hand with your fingers wide open. The other right hand, same. But you're going to put your right hand behind it, and you're going to come down here and you're going to clamp your fingers around the left hand. And at the same time, you're going to open these hands as you close this one, so it looks something like that. It looks like it penetrates right through. Isn't that cool? I'll do it slowly. You can see how it's done. Watch. Check it out. Put out your hand. The right hand comes from behind it, and you're gonna just clamp it and just open up, and it looks like it penetrates right through. At regular speed, it looks amazing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy and have fun.